saw it on a show, but I heard it in the alley on the weird radio. If you wanna drink of water, you got to get it from a well. If you wanna get to heaven, you got to raise a little hell. I never felt it in my feet, I never felt it in my soul, but I heard it in the alley, now it's in my rock and roll. If you wanna know a secret, you got to promise not to tell. If you wanna get to heaven, you got to raise a little hell. So easy, I never thought it'd be so fun, but I heard